What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to be doing a review on a tool product of a tool that I picked up from the tool truck. Now I know I told you guys I never buy from the tool truck. Well, if it's a good deal, I'll buy it. Usually sometimes the tool truck do have good deals, better deals than you see in the store, or something similar to what you'll see online, and then I'll pick it up. But let's jump right into the video and let me show you guys what I got. So I picked up one of these temperature kits from Power Probe. I got it off the tool truck. It's an awesome little kit. So let me tell you exactly what it does. So these are for guys who do AC work or want to test the temperature of anything. So right here is a little pen, which I'll unbox it and show you just now. But right here is a little pen, and then you have your gauge. So it does come separate, and then they can hook on together. So basically what this can do is, instead of you putting your thermometer gauge inside the vents and then closing the door and walking away and then coming back in and opening the door to check to see what temperature it's at when you have the AC on and testing all that, you can stick this pen into the vent, close the doors, have the AC on, and put this little gadget on your toolbox, or basically walk anywhere in the shop or wherever you're at with it, and it'll still pick up. I think it picks up Wi-Fi or Bluetoothy. I'm not 100% sure how it does it, but I guess it's just a wireless reading. I'm not sure how it does it wirelessly, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, but it doesn't really say. And I don't think Wi-Fi because it doesn't connect to anything really, but it just does a wireless reading, and it works really, really well. I've had this. I've used this a few times already. It gives you two different readings. It gives you the reading of the temperature outside, and then it also gives you the reading of what's going on where the thermometer is located. So let me open this up and show you exactly what comes in this box. Also, if you guys are interested, there is going to be a link in the description below, and with that link, it's an Amazon affiliate link. So basically, when you click on that link, if you purchase the product, the channel receives a small commission at no extra cost to you. And even if you don't purchase it, well then, you know, purchase it wherever you want, but I'll leave the link in the description for y'all. So it comes in this nifty little case here. It's not even a case, it's a box. But it comes through in that and sealed up. Now this device does use batteries. This one uses 2 AA's. So 2 AA's go in here, and then on the small pen, it's AAA, I think. 2 AAA's that go in here. So let me show you the actual gauge. There you go. That's what it does. It separates, so you can put this into the vent and you can walk anywhere with this, and it'll give you different readings. Right now there is no batteries in this, so I really can't show you what it looks like turned on, but it's basically exactly what that looks like on the camera there. Let it focus. Just like that. It just shows 2 different gauges. One gauge would be what it's like outside, and one gauge would be what it's on the inside. And it's pretty freaking cool. I think it's definitely worth it. If you guys are working on ACs, you should definitely consider picking one up, because I feel like they give the most accurate readings possible. And if you guys don't feel like picking one of these up, I can also leave the manual gauge in the description below, a link for that as well. I just think this is so much more convenient. It's really convenience that you're paying for. Instead of having to walk back and forth to the car to check, you can just sit this on your box and let this do all the work, and then you just chill at your box and you read the temperature, see it going down. But I think it's a great buy. I don't think it was that bad. I paid 40 bucks for it, so it's not that big of a deal. I'm sure it's probably a little bit cheaper online. But yeah, guys, other than that, if you guys are interested, like I said, it will be in the description below, so consider picking one up. And if you're not, well then don't buy it. But I'll see you guys soon, and hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Now, if you guys aren't a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel, and also hit the bell notification at its side so you can stay up to date with all my latest videos, as well as leave a comment in the comment section below, and hit the like button. I cannot urge this more. Please hit the like button, because by doing that, you help the channel grow, and the YouTube algorithm will favor this channel. So thank you all. Peace out and good night.